dementia caregivers. Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia. And today we're answering the question, how do you make a hospital stay easier for your loved one with mild to moderate dementia? So we just experienced this with Aunt Jerry just this week. She pulled something in her back and we needed to bring her to the hospital, and they admitted her for some tests, which involved a CT scan and an MRI. And for anyone, those tests can be intimidating and a little scary. But imagine if you have dementia. So what we wanted to do is we wanted to make sure we had all of her favorite things surrounding her. We ran home and we got a tote bag with her favorite coloring book, some colored pencils, some search words. I got her iPad, I got her cane, I got her slippers, and we brought all these things back to the hospital. What we wanted to do is make sure she was as busy as possible. So we wanted to provide all of those distractions that we knew she would enjoy. The TV was good in the background, but it definitely wasn't going to be enough to distract her. But we also knew that she would have questions, most likely every 5 minutes, as to where she was and why she was there. So we had already prepared a picture frame that had a message in it. And it was in the tote bag that we had prepared. We call it her hospital go bag, similar to when somebody's about to go into labor and delivery. And in that bag was a frame that says, Aunt Jerry, you're in the hospital. It's okay. They're going to help fix you and you'll be home soon. Please color and use your search word and do your puzzles, and I will be back soon. And when it was time for me to leave, when visiting hours were over, I was able to put that on her table and she could look at that constantly. It was very similar to the notebook on her dining room table. So these are some real life pieces of advice, things that we've learned over the past couple of years, and we actually just implemented this week. For more information, solutions, and ideas, don't forget to join At Home with Dementia and click through to the next video. And be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.